Want to create professional product mockups fast and easy? But traditional photo shoots are slow, expensive, and way too complicated. You don't need all that. You just need one tool, Modor. Create premium studio quality mockups in just a few clicks. Just search for Modor. From websites to ads to social media, Modor creates mockups you can use anywhere. Simply select a mockup from a huge library. Choose a mockup that fits your product. Upload your design with a single click. Edit and customize exactly the way you want. See live previews as you edit. Then download your final mockup in professional quality. Showcase your products exactly the way a professional brand would, with Modor. Modor offers thousands of ready-to-use templates across multiple product categories, all with high-quality, realistic results. With smart customization tools, just upload your design, adjust colors, and make it perfect. Explore multiple product categories all in one powerful platform. You'll spend less time creating images, save money on production, improve your product presentation, and grow your brand with confidence. It's time to upgrade the way you create product visuals. Start creating with Modor today.